This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a line chart in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with some sales data based on dates, and let's suppose I want to make a line chart from that. This is what you do. You highlight the data that you want to include in your chart, then you click on Insert, then click on Chart. When you do that, it will automatically create a line chart for you. From here, you can play around with different formatting things within the chart. For example, you can change what's typed here, and you can also double click on other parts of the graphs to change the colors and things like that. But what I want to focus on is the different types of charts that you can create. So in the setup column here, at the top, it has the chart type, and here is where you can experiment with different ways to display your data. It will suggest 4 different ways that you can make your graph or chart here at the top. But if you go down below, you'll have the option of making line charts, area charts, using columns, using bars, using a pie chart, etc. So this is a basic getting started way of using line charts and other types of charts in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.